teach you Megan's verse of the WAP dance today. I am very excited about this one. It is a viral trending dance on TikTok, and you are going to learn it today. But before I teach you the dance, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, give me a like, and share it with your friends so that they can learn it too. Because we all need to be successful on TikTok, right? I know thousands of my followers on TikTok have been learning all of my dances and all the trending TikTok dances from me because I teach it nice and slow. But we are here on YouTube so I can give you a longer, more in-depth video. But enough of this, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with our right hand. You are going to make an infinity sign, like this with our right hand. So we go boom, boom. Notice my knee is bending, okay? So I go boom, boom, so you have a little lean. When we get to the side, instead of going here, you're gonna go boom, up, okay? Once we're here, you lean your chest forward, boom. And then we go back and we crisscross and hop. And I'm transferring my weight like back and forth from my feet. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, open, crisscross. Then your arms crisscross again as you face the front, boom, ha. Then your hands come down and you push in. Cool? So 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ha, crisscross, crisscross, drop in. Nice. Okay, from here, we're gonna lean to the left and you're gonna go boom, boom, again with your hands. So it's just like in the beginning. 5, 6, from the top, boom, open, crisscross. Then we go boom and up, boom, boom. From here, make sure your knee is bent so you can push off of this leg and your knee is gonna come up, okay? Woo. So we went boom and da, da, push in, okay? So when my knee comes up, it goes right hand, left hand, then I step out and I go push in. So kind of like you're pushing something away, boom. And this leg drags in. Cool? From the top, we're almost done. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Open, crisscross, crisscross, drop, and boom, boom. Da, da, boom, ha. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ha, boom, ha. Crisscross, and boom, boom, da, da, push, and. If you need to repeat it, just feel free to rewind a little bit to go over that again. But we're gonna finish it. So we went boom, boom, ha, and really easy, you're gonna put up your hands like this and then drop it down. So it goes boom, boom. Then you're gonna do a little prep, hi-ya, like a little karate chop. So we prep, bring it down like that, and then your hands are gonna do what's called a wrist roll. Okay, the wrist roll behind your ears. And then you get out your binoculars, okay? And then we go boom. Then you're gonna bring your head to the right, boom. And these just kind of stay. So you go look, look. And then the final move, you're gonna do 2 punches to the camera. People kind of do whatever. That's where you can put your personality into it. I take a step forward and go like that. But some people just go boom, boom. Some people don't punch, I don't know, whatever you want to do. So from here, you have 2 punches. So I'm gonna step forward and I'm gonna go boom, boom. Okay, you did it, all done. Now we're gonna do the whole thing all together from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, open, swish, and doom, doom, up, and boom, boom, tap, tap, push, and da, da, and boom, and up, and boom, boom, punch, punch. If you're new to my channel, this is how it works. You made it, we finished the dance. Now we're gonna do it one more time without music. Then in my description at the bottom, I have the link to my video on TikTok, and you can do it along with me there. Cool? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ha, crisscross, crisscross, boom, and ha, ha, doom, doom, push, and boom, boom, and ha, up, and boom, da, da. Thank you so much for learning Megan's verse of the WAP dance. I'm not so sure I'm going to do the other one, for obvious reasons. If you liked this video, video, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you learn this dance and you're like, yes, I have it, but you don't know how to film your videos for TikTok, or you're just a little confused on how to stand out, I created a 2-page guide in my description that explains it all for you. So then it's nice and easy, step by step, how to stand out. Everything you need is in the description below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you guys next video.